Sportfishing fishing report. Today is March 16th, 2019. Weather for today. Weather today is a little cloudy, a little overcast, but it's still nice and warm out here. I'd say probably about 82 degrees today. Fishing this week was a little difficult. We had a couple days of really strong winds. Tuesday actually we had probably 35, 37 knot winds, which actually the port was closed very early, so that made it for a difficult day of fishing. Since then things have actually calmed down quite a bit. Things are very calm along the shoreline right now. A lot of bottom fishing. Today the Viviana, the 30-footer, actually brought in some beautiful groupers and snappers. All very good size, very good eating. A lot of Sierra out there. Spanish mackerel, which if any of you caught those, they're also very good eating. Water is cold. Our water is about 66, 67, 68 degrees. Not the best for fishing, but if you like shark, there's a lot of sharks out there. Yesterday, the Viviana 4 released a beautiful hammerhead, probably a good 5.5 feet long. Today, they also released a really nice mako shark, actually two of them, and the Viviana 2 a few days ago also released a mako shark. So if any of you like to shark fish, right now with the colder water is the time to do that. Still been some yellowtail out there, again very close to shore up on the Pacific side. So it's definitely right now the cold water fishing, small game fishing all along the shore, rooster fish, things like that. Marlin we haven't seen a lot of this week. The bait has gone away, maybe because the water's really green out there right now, so there's not much bait fish out there. So the marlin we haven't seen a whole lot this week. Dorado with our cold water, there are none at all. Tuna, we saw a few tuna last week for one day and then they're gone as well. But the bottom fishing's been great, and it's also all very good eating fish. That's kind of it for our fishing report. Stay tuned for all of our pictures. You'll see all the nice pictures and videos. If you have any questions, you can always call me at 800-270-7804, or you can always go on our website, vivianasportfishing.com, and there you can see all of our boats with everybody's picture. If you have anything else, we'll see you next time. Bye!